light on, so better for
Do you
video.
want the light on?
No, I've got a little flash.
All right.
So I just started filming. We're in a Better Place, totally electric vehicle. Can I say your name? Do you mind?
Yeah.
Orly is driving, and we're about to turn the key. I've just seen this happen once before. It makes, like, watch what happens when she turns the key.
What's the code?
Pointer 1122. And now you can start the car. That's it.
So the car is on. Go rewind that. It didn't. There was no, nothing like that. The car is on right now, and we'll back it up later when Orly starts to drive. Right now we're in line. It's not our turn yet.